Here we are unboxing a geyser. As you can see, packing is pretty basic. So this is a 15-liter 5-star rated storage water heater by Crompton. Here's the valve. The power cord. And in the box we also have bolts. These will be helpful in installing the geyser. So before installation, it's important to measure the distance between the holes, and this is where we have to ensure that the dimensions are correct so that while installation or while we are installing the bolts, it's not going to be mismatched. In the power cord, there is one wire for grounding. So this is the plate which is going to mate on the wall. So after installation, the geyser looks something like this. Both the lights will indicate when the water is heated. So if both the lights are on, the water is being heated, and when one light is off, the water gets heated.